This video is to teach you a little bit about Powtoon and how to log in and start to create your very own slideshow video with music and digital graphics. As soon as you get into Powtoon, you are going to sign up with your Google account. It is free, which is fantastic, and it allows you to save as many as you would like. When you get into the Powtoon, if you're a student, you'll have a different screen. It will show you that you are a student. You'll click on the link that says student, and then you'll proceed. They have already different templates for you to use, so that all you'd have to do is click on it and change your own text and settings. So for example, if you want to go into templates at the top and you click on templates, what happens is a variety of different templates come up where you can change just the words. So you look at the ones that they have. Perhaps, let's say, if you want to use the grand opening template, what it will do is it will save a copy for you in your file, and you can go in and edit and modify it so that you're changing something that's already created as opposed to creating everything yourself. Powtoon ends up playing like a video on YouTube, so it will play from beginning to end. So for example, in this Powtoon, when I press play, you'll see it's just loading. This is the template that you can use to put in your own stuff. So it will play with music typically. So I think you get the idea of it. So what you would do is, because you've made a copy of it, if you don't even want it to be grand reopening, if you want it to be doing maybe a presentation on explorers, you would just change, and you change the text box, and you would just change what's there. If you don't want that, you can get rid of that. If you wanted that, by, oopsie. So you see what it did is it automatically put in my text that I wanted. So for my name of business, I'm just going to double click it. I don't know, by Sandy. So when you go back to play it, it will have that. If you want to change all the different characters, you can. As soon as you click on them, you'll be able to swap them out with a menu on the right-hand side. The right-hand side is your creation technique, and that's, or your creation toolbox, and that's where you're able to change all different types. So if you wanted to get into maybe kids, you can go into the Soho and you can swap it out with a kid instead, and it'll put that in there for you. And when it plays, it will change. Now, those are how you use all the templates. If you want to create your own, then you would go back and, oh no, I'm going to go back to the main page, which I'll click on Powtoon here, and you're going to go into blank Powtoon. When you get into blank Powtoon, it will now allow you to, it'll give you completely a blank template. So you can insert your own background, you can insert your own music, you can insert all of your own pictures. So, and then they have themes in each one. So you can see the Modern Edge has all these different themes. If you want to go into like a whiteboard theme or cartoons, any kind you'd like. So you just create, first you pick your theme. So suppose I pick my cartoon theme, you'll see on the left-hand side, just like a slideshow. So you can add as many slides as you'd like. You can copy slides and paste them. And so when you get up here, this is where you're going to play with all the different possible themes, possible layouts of your screen, that kind of thing. So let's say that we want to do an intro. They're all pre-made for you. So you just go look through what kind of intro perhaps you would like to do. So if you would like to do maybe this one here, you just double click and it brings it right in there. So it's already set up for you. So you just go in here and you can put, because it says 2019, I'll just go 2020. You can go here and add and change your text. Let's say that we're doing grad. You would just double click and you would say grad. And then I can go here, pics, and just play around with all of the different texts that you have. You can also go and you insert your image. So as soon as you click